Hi guys, welcome to my ASMR mukbang. I am lazy to talk, but hungry to eat, so let's eat. Let's start with spicy enoki, aka mushrooms. MHHH, so yummy and spicy 6/10. Now besties, let's eat egg ramen noodles. Wow, it tasted like rainbows and eggs cause ate some. So yummy. I love spicy food. Bestie, what was that? Anyways, let's go. Bestie, what? Anyways, let's start with spicy chicken. Okay, besties, now time for more chicken. Oh, soy chicken is my chicken's favorite and has gone missing sad.
Bestie, open the curtains. Bestie, give me food now.
Get out, you crusty, musty, dusty girl. I'm hungry. Anyways, bye besties, before I eat your chips, I hope it's soy chicken flavor.